I want to thank you first of all for helping us in promoting this moment, this ecological moment. I'm not sure how much you know, but for every sold ticket, we're going to plant a tree in Belgrade, in Serbia, sorry. Yeah. All around Serbia, we're planning to plant more than 100 hectares of land and more than 40,000 trees all around. So far, we planted in a couple of cities, just about 20,000 plants, and we're going to continue to do that throughout the year. So this is the big moment now. I'm hoping this moment will go on for many years, but I'm not sure how warmed up you are, but this is a quite heavy tree. You want to give it a go?
I will try.
Yeah? Okay, let's try.
Special but heavy moment, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna place my hands on the top, so it seems like I'm doing something, but I'm really not, okay?
One.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, this guy's strong. Oh my God. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, let's take take a shot now and... Listen, if it doesn't work out with tennis,
yeah, I always can go.
We can always use
to work on the streets. Yes. I think it's really important to start to take care about the nature, because in the end this is because of what we're living. So, okay. Now I look smart, eh?